Alright, hi guys and gals. I wanted to show you my recent build of a generator shed for a Harbor Freight 6500 and 5500 running watts. This is a shed that was purchased from Lowe's, and it's a fairly nice shed. I've installed a 12-inch vented duct fan to draw air through the shed, and it's a louvered fan. It's an 85 running watt fan, and it moves about 1,800 cubic feet a minute. So very nice fan, very well built, galvanized frame and aluminum louvers. Here's a standard galvanized metal ductwork that you'd see typically used in a home clothes dryer scenario with a flap inside. Help keep bugs from coming in. This is the other end. You'll see that I've got two 10.5-inch louvered vents that also have screen that's on the inside that would protect bugs and, here in Florida, lizards and other little critters from getting in. And I have a piece of galvanized trim above that just to help provide another area for drip water. This is just 2-inch PVC with male fittings on the inside and out with just a 2-inch cap so that I can pass the 30 amp cable through that would hook into the interlock 30 amp plug that you'd use typically on one of these to plug in and make the routing over to the breaker box. Again, just another angle. This is straight on. It has the hydraulic lift assist for the cover, the roof cover. And here's with it open. Just another view so you can get a good look at it. You can see that PVC, 2-inch PVC pipe pass through. Closer up look of the Predator 6500 with 5500 running watts. And I've got 1-inch flexible exhaust tubing that you'll see here in just a second that's running through. Again, another look at the louvered exhaust fan. It's a 120 volt and runs off of one of the outlets. Here you see that 1-inch flexible exhaust running through that 4-inch pipe. Again, I've got eye bolts, double eye bolts secured into the concrete pad that I poured with some extra hardened chains and double locked. Got that all in the back just to make it more difficult and in a position that make it more difficult for someone to try to get in there with bolt cutters. Just an additional fan. It will also be powered by one of the outlets to provide a little bit of movement of air across the engine and the compressor head or the generator head. There you can see the screens that will help prevent critters and bugs and whatnot, and leaves and debris from coming in. Another look at the locks down below. Try to take all the safeguards you can. Also have an hour meter that I got on Amazon. Very easy to install. The lead simply just wraps around the spark plug cable and is zip tied in position, and it runs off in tenths of an hour during the time that the generator is running. Again, just another look of it with the shed open, and again with it closed. That took 9 60-pound bags of concrete for that shed for the foundation, and I have about 2.5 inches remaining on each side. Got it about 5 inches from the wall. Here again is the Reliance outlet. Very easy to install, again available on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. And then just some flexible conduit with some straps hooked to it and going into the breaker box that also has an interlock switch in there to disconnect and disable the main power while you're running on generator power. Hope you find it interesting. Remember, if you like it, comment, rate, and subscribe. I'll talk to you later.